Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today, let me tell you a story that changes our perspective of how we see the world. Once there was a balloon seller and he was selling very beautifully colored balloons at the street corner. So he was having the balloons of red, green, blue, black, yellow, orange, and all the beautiful colors of the balloon that we could ever imagine. So a little boy went to the balloon seller and he asked, Uncle, will the blue balloon rise up in the sky? The balloon seller said, Yes, my son, it will. The boy asked about the green balloon, will it rise up in the sky? The balloon seller said, Yes, definitely it will. And then the boy kept on asking about each and every balloon. Will the green one rise up in the air, the yellow one, orange one, black one, and so on. So the balloon seller smiled and he said, Look, my child, the balloon don't rise up in the sky because of its color. It rises up because of what's filled inside. My dear folks, like those balloons, we rise up in the sky of our lives, not because of our appearances, not because of the fears that we have, and not because of the resources that we have. We rise up because of what we carry within us, the mindset, the attitude, the determination. And there is a saying that it's not the aptitude, but the attitude that determines the altitude of our lives. Far too often, we look at the lives of others, their success, their achievements, accolades, big homes, and exotic vacations. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. What we don't see is what lies beneath. The unseen layers of persistence, perseverance, relentless efforts, and most importantly, the consistency to keep going and keep growing every single day. So, my dear folks, fill your life's balloon with relentless determination, a winning attitude, and a belief that says, no matter where I start, I can rise again. Each day, rise. Rise not to impress the world, but to improve yourself. Rise not with pride, but with purpose. And rise not to compete with others, but to become a better version of yourself who you were yesterday. So, my dear folks, keep shining, keep striving, and keep rising. Because the world is waiting for the brilliance that only you can bring.